What is the reasonable expectation of privacy?
Okay, this question is important because it relates back to the Charter's protection of unreasonable search and seizure and protection of communications. So in order for those protections to be engaged, one has to have a reasonable expectation of privacy. In other words, what you say in your own house shouldn't be intercepted by another person who's not part of that conversation. However, if you're having a loud conversation in a restaurant, for example, and someone in the next table overhears you, it can be argued that you do not have a reasonable expectation of privacy. Therefore, the Charter is not engaged and does not protect you in those circumstances. So reasonable expectation of privacy is the judge considering what objectively, subjectively would be a expectation of privacy in a certain given circumstances. And I've given two examples, one easy one for the public forum versus something in a location which is very private. There is obviously an area in between those two where you might be in a public place, but you're doing everything you can to keep your conversations private, but someone has taken extra steps to overhear those conversations, just for example, using an electronic device, and that, of course, may very well trigger Charter protections. And also could result in criminal charges against the person who's eavesdropping because it is against the law for a third party to record or eavesdrop on private communications.